Hello friends. For today's trading, I have selected two stocks, Hindalco and Axis Bank. So let us consider Hindalco first. First reason behind selecting this stock, a very clear downtrend, or in my term, you can say dominating pressure in this stock is selling. Second confirmation that it has created a small build-up or a consolidation period at the end of previous trading session. So this has given me a sight that if this level will be broken in the upcoming market, then we can assume and continue downtrend. So these two confirmation I am already having before going to trade in this stock. So now come to today's analysis. In the morning, market was in green, so it follows the market trend. Hindalco was actually following the market trend, but here you can clearly see a very small 4 or 5 candles buildup was formed, and this buildup was actually broken down, and again it was retested. It all happens on 22nd October, and that is on last Friday. So this actually level has become a resistance zone. This has been actually proved by the first candle itself in the morning. A very nice price rejection you can clearly see over here. So after the build up, price was actually retesting the supply zone, and it was successfully actually defended by the suppliers. So price started moving down. So at the so again price actually again came because the market again actually turned in the green. So price again came in this zone to retest this level. So that let me zoom in. Okay. Yes. So you can clearly see a very nice evening star pattern was formed. So three confirmation. All are in a single direction. First confirmation is existing trend of the stock is downtrend. Second confirmation was a strong buildup was formed, and price rejection you can clearly see when price was trying to go up beyond the previous resistance zone, it was rejected quite clearly. So two regions. Third regions came when this price actually again came for retesting, and a very nice evening pattern was found. But at the same time, if you remember the very basic rule of price action, and that means, and that is, if a level or any price is getting tested multiple times, then that level or price will become weaker. So the attacking party may take control of the price. So I am actually considering this point a basic point also. So because of that, I entered in this stock with a very adjusted, or you can say a very less risk reward ratio, and that is 1:2. So I sorted Hindalco when 1050 candle low was broken, and you can clearly see it was again retested, and my stop loss was on the high of the very first candle, because you can clearly see a very strong rejection above this level, and again this was proved by this. This is also very nice and a real time evening star. In actually in classical way there is only three candles that evening star contain, but in real time you can see that there are four candles required sometimes to give you actually impression that the price is going to take the U-turn or reverse from here. So three confirmation I have traded. So as soon as the price touched 466.5, this level. You can clearly see the price has again came and again actually retested. So as soon as the price came in this zone and this Harami pattern was formed, I just booked my profit on 466.50 and around 1 is to 1.75. I booked my profit in this stock. So currently you can clearly see the stock was still trading above this zone, and we can expect, if the price will not go down, we can expect and trend reversal from here. So we can actually expect uptrend that will start from here, because you can clearly see I have already drawn a very nice, or actually the great head and shoulders pattern is getting formed, and we are the part of it. So this is about Hindalco. Now let's move to Axis Bank. Okay, so this is the chart of Axis Bank, where I have already drawn some actually structure on the chart. You can clearly see. So in Axis Bank, the first reason for selecting this stock was just starting off uptrend, and that is started on 21st October in the second half. So this is, and I have actually drawn a consolidation period of this stock. So if you consider from 22 October, from 11 a.m. till the last minute of candle, the price was trading in a range. So I think more than 3 hours price was trading in a range, and at the same time price also created three tops. This top, first, second and third. So very basic rule, as I have already actually uh, discussed you in Hindalco. So price was retesting same level multiple times. So as soon as the price will go up and sustain for some time, we can enter in this stock, and that is why, and that is what I have done in the morning. At, as actually the first candle was in red, so I was not sure that who is actually taking position in this stock, whether buyer or sellers. So I waited, and as soon as I actually got this warning star pattern, I entered in this stock and booked profit on 460. I think around 460. Sorry, 860. I booked profit. So it was, I think, more than 1:5 risk reward ratio. I booked profit today. So this is all about today's trading, friends. The lesson that I have learned is that stick to the basics of price actions, and that is the more sufficient thing that you need in the market to survive. Stick to the basic rule of price action and keep your chart as simple as you can. That will give you the required profit in the market. So this is all about today's trading, friend. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe if you find my video helping you in learning price action and the market. Then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Keep trading. Bye.